Hello friends, in today's tutorial I would like to take an installation for WhatsApp, permanent WhatsApp installation. In this tutorial you learn how to install your WhatsApp without any other configuration, and your WhatsApp doesn't need any monthly quarter, even half update or annual. It will always do it by itself. So if this is what interests you, please like and share this video. Comment below. Make sure you have subscribed. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to us and be part of us, so that when any new video is uploaded, you will be among the first to receive it. That notification bell will help you to do that, so click on it so that the activation button will be on for you to get every new video that are to be uploaded to the system. Thank you. Now let's get started. In my former tutorial I have shown how to configure your brand new phone so that you will get automatic update on your app store. So if you have not done that, please try and configure your app so that your Gmail account will be active, and that will enable you to do this very easily. If you don't have Gmail to your phone, this tutorial will not work for you. It will not work for you. It will only be available for all those people that have their Gmail activated. So once you have this done, the next thing you need to do is, let's open our Play Store. This is my Play Store. I have already put it on. Now on this Play Store, make sure your internet is active. Go to search, type WhatsApp. Okay, it's already here. Now it has shown here. Now if you have not yet installed it, this particular place will show you install. But if you have already installed it, all you need to do is tap on this update. My own system is on auto update. Currently the version I have is updated, and some weeks ago new update has come up. My system will do it when necessary. I don't need to tap on it. It will do it by itself. So all you need to do is come to this and install it. Once you have done that, please don't do any extra setting to your phone. Once you start doing any other extra setting, that is when you will disable your auto updates. And once you have disabled that, it means that most times your WhatsApp will go older. When it grows older, now it will prompt you to update, maybe very late, 2 weeks or 1 week before the version will be locked off. But if you leave it the way it is on your Android phone, it will do the auto update by itself. So once you come, all you need to do is to tap on this update and it will be done by itself for you. That's all. There's another way to install or update your WhatsApp manually, which I am going to show you also right now. So all you need to do is, when you don't have your Gmail account enabled, that is another slower way of doing it. All you should do is open your browser. In this browser I am using Opera Mini. Now locate google.com, or on the search bar you type WhatsApp APK. You can see WhatsApp APK. Once you tap on it, it will show you. You see the star rating. A lot of people have commented this, that this is very good, and you can see 3 days ago completed, less charge easily with friends and family Wi-Fi. So you just tap on this. Now it will prompt you to download. Now when you download the the version. But this is not the best way. The best way for you to enjoy WhatsApp is putting on your Android Play Store on. You sign up, and once you sign up, everything will almost do for it. There is no need of monthly installation or quarterly installation or half a year or yearly installation. But on this, you have some limited time, maybe quarterly, 90 days. It will expire and will ask you again to prompt, and this one will be jam-packing a lot of APK files on your phone, which I personally will not recommend for you. So the best thing you need to do is use your Google Play Store. That's the best way. You can see once you tap here now, it will download. It will prompt you to download. If you want to download, you download. You see 40 megabytes. The funny thing about it is that the file is bigger. You can see here 40 megabytes, but the original file on this is 35 megabytes. So the choice is now yours. Whichever one that is better for you, you better make use of it. But personal recommendation from me on this channel, I will recommend that you sign up your Google account with your Android phone. And once you have done that, all you need to do is come to Play Store, open your Play Store. When you open your Play Store, this is the Play Store. Now you come here, you search your WhatsApp, and that's over. When you use this medium to start your first installation of Android phone, this medium now that I have shown you as second option, please note it will be regularly prompting you to update. Every time it expires, it will ask you to update. But when you have done the first registration through the WhatsApp, the App Store that I showed you, this is the best that I have shown to you. So when you have done it through here, it will be permanent and the update will go accurately by its own. There is no other setting that you need to do on it. But when you have used this second option, please note there are differences. Every 3 months, thereabouts, most times 2 weeks, it will prompt you to update. Now, like this version now is 3 days ago. It's just 3 days ago that it was uploaded. If we should just imagine that you came in when the app have stayed up to 15 days. Now 15 days minus 30 days included, you will see that the 15 days minus 30 days will reduce the days it will last. It will not stay up to 90 days again for you. So that is why I am encouraging you always to use the app Play Store. That is the best way to make installation possible for you, so that the updates will work on its own. There is no other setting that you needed to complete. It will be done by its own, except you on your own have reset the setting from the original setting that Google placed on your phone. So that is what I want you to take note of, so that you know their differences, so that tomorrow you will know the accurate way to go. So thank you, my friends. Here ends the tutorial. Please like and subscribe to this channel. If we are doing something good, please comment us. If there is something missing, please comment down below. We need your contributions.